What's up YouTube, Jay here, and today we're going to be doing a taste test. Oh, Bobby. Look at it there, it's crying. It's crying. It's crying. You got buggers in your nose. Yeah, so we're going to do a taste test. Where the box at? In the fridge. Right there. Oreo churro. Right here. You see it? Hold on. Oreo churro. Wait, what happened? Tickety top. We're sorry for the baby. And my mom messed it up. Where do Oh my gosh. Right in the oven. Right in the oven. Right in the oven. Tickety tock, tickety tock. Right now I'm not just doing nothing. Not doing nothing. Wait, aren't you gonna doggo sister? Molly! If y'all follow me on YouTube, Musical.ly, because I'm sick right now. Sitting right here. Let me go checking you guys. Going up the stairs, my baby rocket ship. Going through the sky. They don't know the invisible dad. My room. Got Foxy, where the Foxy? And I got Foxy, we got Jordan, a boy. So dark. So dark. Hey. Hey. Alright guys, I got trash right there. I gotta pick that up. I got GTA here. And they got all scratched up because my stepbrother's brother scratched it up. Look at my mom. The reflection on the, oh my god, the reflection on the CD shows my mom. Alright guys, enough playing around. It's my tablet. Oh god. My tablet. Alright fam, I got Jeffy on the front. Swipe. Yeah. Oops, you can't see my password, so alright, yeah, I just did my password. I'm watching Lucas. Watching Lucas and Marcus. 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 Look at that. Give me in the background. Hey, what's goody? I'll see me in the background. I can't have this video too long. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Marcus and Lucas. I can't have this video too long. It's getting too hot. I gotta wait new. I gotta put something else on.
Alright, so we are basically here with a little brother. You guys know it, right?
Okay.
So, today's a big day. You know what's gonna happen today?
Yeah.
What?
Get a toy.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And your first date.
Yeah.
Did you get her flowers yet? Or did you get her anything?
No.
Oh my god. Marcus, that's what we need to work on. Yeah, you gotta be sharp for the ladies, you know what I mean?
So that one's Lucas and that's Marcus. The one with the white tuxedo and the blonde hair. They both have blonde hair because they're twins. Yeah. My bad, I paused it real quick. I had to pause that. I thought, yo. So his brother is going on a date. DD date. Little bird taking a shower. can't show you as well. Look at my armpit. Smell it. Smell it. I just ate and I'm going to do a taste test. Yeah, so guys, I'll see you when they're done. But I watched a little bit of Marcus and Lucas. So yeah, I'll see you. Yo, smoking. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm Timo. Here they are. All done. My throat hurt. Mom, there's something else smoking. Mom, come down here. I can't reach it. Mom, there's something else smoking. Look right here. That was smoking. I'll take them out. Alright, guys. Guys, did I get it when I was tasting it? I tasted it. I tasted it like nasty or something.
What's up, ladies? Come out here. What was you think about that?
Alright, guys.
Alec was a little bit.
Alright, guys, I finished with this.
Shy, Marcus. It's the first date. Come on, I'll be shy too.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like the button, don't thumbs down. Don't put a thumbs down. Hit 10 million likes on this video. Now we'll do another taste test with Oreo churros. Churros. You know what that is? It's just like these rolls. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the notification button. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Please, and comment down below what should I do as a challenge. I haven't did a challenge yet. And you're wondering why I have this on my eye. I've hit on glass when I was a baby. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Please comment down below what challenge should I do.